Are you single? Are you wondering why do you still have this on your bike? So let's remove it and add a little spice to it. So I got a new mod for my bike. These are blanking plates for the rear passenger footrest. It's imported actually. I don't see it for sale in India. I got it from AliExpress, but AliExpress doesn't ship to India directly. So if you have anybody coming to India from any different country, you can get it through them. So let's open it right away. It's just stapled together. So we got 4 bolts for 2 sides and the blanking plates itself. It's made up of really good quality and the finish is really nice. So I'll take a few cinematic shots of this and I'll show it to you. Okay, the edit was really nice. So let's install this. Let's remove it. You need this, I don't know what size. If it fits, it fits. Okay, it's this one. So let's remove it.